Hey, Kurt Mortensen here. Welcome back to Maximize Your Influence. I still haven't shaved, still in my Aloha shirt. Just finished a podcast at First Impressions. On those first impressions, verbals, nonverbals, man, that cement dries fast. Sure, you can probably fix it later, but it takes a lot of time. You might even get a chance to fix it later, but these skills are very, very important. So at MaximizeYourInfluence.com, iTunes, Spotify, better podcasting websites near you will have the podcast. Download it, listen to it. On the YouTube channel, what I do is supersize one of the ideas, the things we talked about on the podcast. I didn't get to it very much on the podcast, but I want to talk about eyes and eye contact because that's a powerful thing. You've heard it before, that eyes are the window of the soul. And as Ralph Waldo Emerson says, that eyes converse more than the tongue. There's just something about the eyes and reading the eyes and understanding the eyes. It's a powerful thing. Now, you don't want to stare somebody down. If you're looking at them 100% of the time, you're either falling in love or angry, and those are probably two things you don't want when you persuade and influence. Average around the world, it depends on personality and cultures, around 70%. But it's fascinating that even the studies show with the power of the eyes, that if you have a man and woman about the same age sitting knee to knee staring at each other's eyes, they start having amorous feelings towards each other. So try that one at work, see how that one goes. You'll probably get in trouble, but it'd be a lot of fun. Eyes are power. So what do we know about the eyes? What can you learn about the eyes? In fact, interesting lawsuit or study, we could call it, between Pennzoil and Getty. Oil companies, right? Really big, multi-billion-dollar companies, and they were suing each other, going back and forth. And Getty Oil told all the expert witnesses, hey, don't look at the jury. This is serious business. You're the expert. And Pennzoil said, no, make eye contact, smile, do what you need to do. Anyway, fast forward, Pennzoil won $2.5 billion from the settlement, and they were asked why later. They said, well, the other expert witnesses, they wouldn't look at us, they wouldn't connect. The lack of eye contact was one of the major reasons that they got the big award. So this is real. So this is what we know about eye contact. Avoid sunglasses. People can't see your eyes. There's distrust. You already know that. But some of you have prescription glasses that kind of tint when you go outside, and it takes them a while to go back to normal. That could be a cause of distrust. So it's real. People need to see your eyes. Even if you're standing outside and the sun's in their eyes, just kind of switch a little bit so they can see your eyes. Powerful thing, so simple. Avoiding eye contact, that could be a challenge. Some people don't like to look at each other's eyes. Maybe it's a self-esteem thing, a self-worth thing. Maybe you can look at the bridge of their nose or between their eyes. Whatever you need to do to pretend to look at their eyes, that's better than not looking at all. People need that eye contact. Again, not 100% of the time, but at least 70% of the time, or at least mirror how much they're looking at you. Then there's less than 50% of eye contact does trigger distrust, insincerity. Hey, I know my wife says it all the time, I need your eyes, I need your eyes. But sometimes we're sending an email, we're multitasking, looking at our phone, it's not a big deal. Big deal. If you don't know them very well, you're in a persuasive situation, really big deal. You need to let those things go and get that eye contact. Now, when there's increased eye contact, they're starting to accept your message. They want to accommodate you and what you're asking them to do. So watch for that. Be aware that when eye contact increases, that they're getting more and more interested. Even when people start to dilate, people are more interested in you, your product or service. Be aware. Don't get in vomit mode. Look at their eyes and see what's happening. Another fascinating one is rapid blinking. You take politicians that are lying, they blink faster, but rapid blinking can mean distrust. There's a disconnect. They don't believe you. They want to run. Indifference. So when you see more blinking, you've got to back up and identify what's in it for them and see what's going on in their brain. Now, they might have dust in their eye. That might be how they're programmed. That's fine with that. If there's a difference in blinking and their eye contact, that is something that you can take a look at as a persuader. So that's the tip of the day. Think about eyes and eye contact. Your eye contact, reading their eyes, that can make a big difference in your success, in your charisma, your persuasion, your influence, your negotiation, everything that you do. These tools are real. If you want more tools, go to influenceuniversity.com for the advanced training courses. The link will be below or at maximizeyourinfluence.com. Hey, persuasion's power. These are skills that change every aspect of your life. Everything you want in life is on the other side of persuasion, motivation, and influence. So master these skills, become more influential, and go out and persuade with power.